Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. If you're tired of fumbling for light switches in the dark or want to make your home a little smarter, this is the product for you. With easy guided installation, the Kasa Smart Light Switch is a breeze to set up. No need to understand complex wiring or switch configurations, the Kasa app walks you through every step. Plus, with the ability to control your lights from anywhere using your smartphone, you'll never have to worry about coming home to a dark house again. But that's not all, folks. This switch also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for convenient voice control. You can also set schedules to have your lights turn on and off automatically, even when you're away from home. And with its UL certification and trusted reputation, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a reliable product. So, if you're ready to take your home into the 21st century, be sure to check out the Kasa Smart Light Switch. Just click the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have smart home device. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Happy switching!